this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your Chromecast with Google TV Remote easily. So if you lost connection, what you want to do is go around to the back of your TV and go to your Chromecast. Alright, so there's a little button on the back of your Google Chromecast, and what we want to do is press and hold this down. So let's hold it down, and then the light should turn like orange. Now go to the front of your TV, and you should be searching for Bluetooth devices. Now it says searching for accessories on the screen. Before pairing your Bluetooth device, make sure they're in pairing mode. So to do this on your remote now, press the back button and the home button down at the same time, and this will put your remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And you'll know it's in the pairing mode because the light will begin to like blink and stuff. And then it will connect to your TV and you'll be good to go. So just press the back button and the home button down when you get to that screen, and you'll notice the light blinks down here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.